I think when you're thinking of a bolt-on business, you start thinking about the cost of entry, cost of success, and the amount of investment, and those kind of things that when you think about things like moving business, that was one of the businesses that we looked really hard at. It's a really terrific business. It's very similar to junk removal as far as a home service business, lifting things and putting them in a truck. Hey, we do that every day. So it's one of those businesses. I think anything when it comes to home services, you can get in painting or window cleaning or, lawn maintenance, even plumbing, HVAC. You don't have to be an expert in these areas. Find the person to be your guide. Find the person that's going to help you. And learn all you can before you go into that bolt-on business, because your success is not based on how hard you work. It's what you know and how well you know an industry. So make sure you know that. But I always looked for opportunities. Junk removal is what I got involved with, but I was a sales and marketing company that just happened to pick up junk. That was the way I always looked at the way we were going to operate our business. When it came to an opportunity, I'd built out the junk removal business. It was doing really well. It came time to look at other businesses, and why not? Why not? I mean, I've got the infrastructure. I have the business know-how. I'm a sales and marketing company. Once you can leave your business that you've built to a success, you've got people in place. You can leave it for a week, 2 weeks, a month, even for, as much as a quarter or a half a year. You can spend time looking at what that bolt-on business idea is going to be. You'll be doing it from startup, but you'll have the time and effort to do it. And, one of the financial terms that or benefits that people talk about is diversification. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. And obviously, everybody talks about the economy up and down. And you want to kind of insulate yourself a bit with different services that perhaps the junk removal business isn't going to be as strong in the first quarter, but maybe there's another business that is. So you might want to really consider, are you ready and prepared to go into the next thing? Because there's no limit. There are huge companies that built themselves on several verticals of home services. Why not be the next one? If you've developed a brand and been there, there's a loyalty to your brand. You've got customers. Our repeat business is 40, 45, even as much as 50%. That's brand loyalty. If you can significantly, use that power of the brand. So if you're called ABC Junk Removal, why not ABC Moving, ABC Lawn Care, ABC? Why not use the power of the brand, the synergy of the brand, and also you can go into your data files and be able to cross-market, cross-promote to your same customers. Again, it's a great opportunity to use your brand and to kind of parlay off the power that you've created already. To me, it's all about a sales and marketing company that just happens to. So if I'm coming from junk removal to another service, or I'm going from another service into junk removal, it's all about how you handle the marketing and the sales part of the business. And at JRA, we can handle your digital marketing, but you can also handle your local marketing, and you can handle the sale. We do a lot of sales training. We help people make more money and live a better life through increasing your average sale, increasing the way your guys respond to the customer at home.